Show everybody when you stand up. Let me see your basketball face. Yeah, y'all remember that face. It's gonna be somebody one day. Definitely not an exhaust. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Only1BrownBear back at it with another video. As y'all seen in the description and the thumbnail, yes, it's the unboxing video. Ordered some parts for my birthday for Vanna White. Been having some rainy weather, so I just been letting everything sit. But today we are doing the unboxing video. Now, all right, y'all, so before I get into this unboxing, I do want to speak on something real fast. So all this sideshow stuff that's been going on out here in Atlanta, shutting down the highways, shutting down the red lights in the intersection, yeah, you know, just continuous stupid stuff like that, making videos on 285 underpass, doing donuts. For one, that's Fed time. Two, you shutting down a major highway. An 18-wheeler could come through there half sleepy and wipe everybody out. You know what I'm saying? They don't break how normal cars break. If they don't see you in enough time as they come around that corner, it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? But that's neither here nor there. What I'm here for right now is like, y'all messing up the car scene doing that stuff, man. Like, we can't even enjoy just being out riding on the highway, cruising, taking pictures of one another's cars without worrying about the police. You know what I'm saying? Police are not pulling us over just because of the kind of cars we drive. You know what I'm saying? This car has never seen a sideshow at all. This car has never seen a burnout yet. You know what I'm saying? And I'm getting stereotyped because of the vehicle, not because of the person in the vehicle, but because of the vehicle, because y'all are out there doing this dumb stuff in these cars. You know what I'm saying? So, let's just stop, man. If y'all want to be out here and doing this kind of stuff, get with a vendor. Get a whole bunch of people to put an event together. Get some money. You know what I'm saying? Get some money, get a vendor, get a spot where you could legally go out and have fun and burn up some tires and just get rowdy and have a good time, rather than catching a charge out here on the main road. You know what I'm saying? So like, let's just try to put an end to it, man. You know, I hear a lot of people say, well, these people that's doing it ain't from Atlanta. It don't matter, but they in Atlanta doing it. You know what I'm saying? So that's all. That's just it. Why you in my video? But that's it, y'all. Let's just try to put an end to it, because they really messing up the car scene, man. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Let's go. Let's get into the unboxing. Yes, let's see what we got here. What y'all think it is? What could it be? Well, we know it's JLT, so something this small. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I forgot how to get it open. There we go. Got us a JLT oil catch can. Got the oil catch can. I like the quality of it. Pretty simple install, you know. JLT performance sticker, which will not be going on my car. But yeah, the quality of the catch can is good. And if you know about Mopar, is recommended. I went with JLT only for the simple fact that they are well known. You know what I'm saying? You know, I could have went with B Woody, but I didn't like B Woody's prices. I don't really know much about B Woody. But yeah, man, like I said, so first things first, JLT oil catch can. Catch can is much needed on Mopars because we don't want all that oil blow by in the supercharger, or if you got a 6.4 scat pack, you don't want all that blow by going into the into your head, into your intake. So yeah, I recommend getting your oil catch can. Let's get to the next one. Boom. Another JLT product, you know what I'm saying? So alright, you guys, I don't even have to say nothing. You already know what it is. I had to get that JLT cold air intake. Now, don't worry, I'll pull it out in a second. Let me fix this. The reason I went with the JLT cold air intake, and I know a lot of y'all gonna say, well, you know, JLT is a Mustang product. They Mustang this, Mustang that. You should have went with B Woody or AFE or leg maker for the Hellcat. I like JLT's products. All right, I like the numbers that it put out for the Hellcat on the dyno. You know what I'm saying? It's an effective intake. Yes, it's not leg maker carbon fiber, but I'm really not that into carbon fiber, man. I don't know if y'all, you never hear me really talk about it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for the install for some big supercharged noises. But yeah, man, I couldn't be more excited and more grateful to be in a situation where I can still order parts for this and own this vehicle, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, but like I said, we're gonna continue with this unboxing. Don't want to make this a crazy long video because it's just an unboxing video. So I will be taking this stuff out, showing you guys the quality, which you're gonna see in another video anyway if I don't feel like taking all of it out, because I still have to do the install videos on each and every part. So and I'm sure this is just the filter. Let's find out. Hold on, let's find out. This is not easy doing this with one hand. Oh, yes. I could rock with that color. I wish it was silver, but it'll be all right. It'll do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that light was crazy. Yeah, it'll do. Alright. Yeah, like I said. You know what I'm saying? You know, just nothing crazy. Alright, so as y'all can see, I got everything laid out for you. I don't know why they sent me 2 templates, but I'm guessing that is for the Challengers and that's for the Charger. But I do feel like they forgot one thing in the box, which is the water guard that goes over the intake. Yeah, they sent you that, but I don't have the bra that actually goes over the intake, to the waterproof bra. So I'm gonna have to call them about that. What could this be? Definitely not the exhaust. stay tuned after this ad. But bubble wrap, good bubble wrap. Gotta love bubble wrap. If you used to play with this growing up, you had a good childhood. If you can relate, your childhood wasn't a lie. There we go. It's finally back. It's the rear. It's the rear diffuser. Now, if y'all remember on the Scat Pack when I had one, this is a different brand by the way, but on the Scat Pack when I had this, I wasn't able to take it off the Scat Pack, so I had to order a new one. Shout out to my subscriber who bought Betty White, which if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all, when I say that, that's my old Scat Pack name was Betty White. Hellcat is Vanna White. So shout out to my boy Michael Harris for having the Scat Pack now. I hope she treating me well, bro. And hit me in the DMs, let's link up. But yeah, man, got the diffuser, good quality. And on this one, the holes are already pre-drilled. Unlike the one on the Scat Pack, I had to make my own holes. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, just like little goodies for myself. Birthday gift to me and Vanna White. And look, they already came with screws. And put that back in there. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, it ain't been nothing crazy, but it's hot here. I'm sorry. And I hope it's not too much wind noise in the phone because I do have the fan on. Shout out to moms for letting me get the fan in the garage. It's my nephew Chase. Say what's up to YouTube. Nothing. Say what's up.
What's up?
Close the door. Come back. Yeah, there you go. Come on. What you got on your face? What you eat?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Well, look at that Fred haircut. Let me see. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. Yeah, turn around. Turn around. Yeah, that boy clean. Peanut head. Hey, come on. Hey, show everybody when you stand up. Let me see your basketball face. Yeah, y'all remember that face. It's gonna be somebody one day. All right, come on. Go ahead and pop those. Step on those. Let me show you a good childhood. You already got a great one, but when your uncle's a kid like you, we should step on these and make them pop. You ever seen those before? You don't know what that is. Go step on them, pop them. Step on them hard. Go, go, ready, go, go. You gotta pop them, don't fall. Step on them. Oh, he don't weigh enough, y'all. Well, you ain't popping nothing.
You ain't popping nothing?
No. Put some weight on it. Put some weight on it. Yeah. Do like that. Alright, well, we got to get your big cousin Liam to do it, alright? I'll give you a couple more months, put some more weight on you, then you probably pop some on. Alright, man. Pound it. I'll see you later. Go take a bath. Stinky man.
I know how to do it.
No, you don't. Later, stinky man.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the parts that I've ordered. So now the next thing that I will be ordering for the car is the Carbon 5-inch exhaust tips. Then, once those come in, I will be going to my buddy over in Loganville. If you guys know who always does my exhaust on all my vehicles, my buddy TJ. So yeah, TJ's Mufflers right there off of Highway 81. Check him out. He does every car I've ever owned, and it always sounds beautiful. As y'all can see what Betty White sound like. If y'all don't know, go back to the previous videos and see what the Scat Pack sound like. But yeah, let's pretty much it for this video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and subscribe, man. I need y'all to subscribe. Y'all watch the video, just hit that subscribe button. It don't cost a thing. I mean, you guys want me to drop the content, I need y'all to help me. Hit that subscribe button and watch the actual videos, you know what I'm saying? Give me the watch time. Watch the ads, please. If you don't watch the whole thing, at least give me at least 35 seconds, you know what I'm saying? Something. I know some of them ads get out of hand, 2-minute ads, 3-minute ads, like, whoo. But if y'all rock with me, I appreciate it. If y'all watch that whole 2-3 minute ads, you know what I'm saying? Do not skip the ads. Help me so I can help y'all enjoy the content on this channel for the Hellcat. The drag, I'm sorry, I'm choking up over here. It's hot. Oh, the drag strip just opened back up last Friday. I got word of that. So, you know, y'all will be seeing the boys back together. Me, Corey, Leroy, Joe, the Incredible Joe, Mr. Who That 1320, 5.0 Snow. So with that being said, the track being open again, I do want to do a tire setup on the Hellcat. There won't be no more street racing in that car. None of that. You won't see no street racing. You want to race, bring it to the drag strip, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying, just hit me up, you know what I'm saying? We'll figure something out. But as for the street racing, that stuff's too hot now, man. I'm done with it. Drag racing, meet me at the track. But y'all let me know if y'all think, oh, before I go there, the tire setup, I want to do a 17 or 18, maybe an 18, you know what I'm saying? So I'll do an 18, 305, maybe 315, 45 ET Street, you know what I'm saying? So, and that's a drag radio. And I'm gonna buy a set of slicks too. But I'm kind of scared of the slicks, man, because you know the Hellcats, they're twisted diff, and I'm not trying to tear nothing up on the drag strip. I've been seeing a lot of videos on that too. But, yeah. But as I was gonna say before that, let me see. Where was I going? Oh, so a lot of y'all said in the last video when I asked what color should I make the calipers, candy purple. I'm gonna tell y'all now, I was already thinking that because purple is my favorite color. And a lot of y'all said candy purple, so that's what we're gonna do. So I gotta find somebody around here that powder coats, which I got a guy. I just gotta see what his turnaround time is right now. I'm gonna holler at him tomorrow. Let's see what he's talking about, so we can go ahead and get that going. And also, stripes or no stripes, wrap the car or leave it white. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know, man. I listen to what y'all say, so you know what I'm saying. Reach out to me, hit me up. Y'all know me from YouTube or in the real world. Brown Bear is gonna be Brown Bear. You know what I'm saying? People's person, so don't be scared to hit me up. Y'all see me out in public, man, speak. You know what I'm saying? I had a subscriber say he saw me at Quick Trip, but he didn't come up to me. Man, I wish you would have came up to me, bro. You know, you would have been on the channel right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm a people's person, you know what I'm saying? Even if I'm just sitting in the car chilling, man, hey, honk the horn. Now, watch how you walk up to the car, you know what I'm saying? Don't just walk to the car banging on the window. Don't do that. Honk the horn, let me see you, and then approach, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. But other than that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and we out.